What I'm going to show you today is our manual forming and packing station using a pneumatic pusher to process the case through the automatic case sealer. What the operator is going to do, they only have to worry about doing two things here, and that's forming the case. It will be held there for them to pack the product, and from there they'll activate this pusher. Alright, so we'll get a little more detail into the operation of how this works. The operator is just going to angle the case onto this folding block, which is going to help collapse those minor flaps. From there, they're just going to depress this valve here, which will allow the flap folders to come up and hold the box to be packed. After the product is packed, they're simply just going to activate the pusher, which will take care of the folding of the major top flaps and the sealing. Now, this is beneficial for an operator who is pushing a heavy case day after day, hour after hour. The pneumatic pusher will take that load off of them and allow them the timing to grab a new box.